Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. This is Bruce Seah, Asian #1 home-based business coach, speaking to you from my home-based business office in Singapore. I just want to record this short video to share about making choices. Every day we're making choices, making decisions. So I like to be dramatic. So this is a bag of organic azuki beans. So it's red beans. So it represents stop, right? You can stop what you're doing and take time off to think, right? Or stop doing things that are not supporting you, not bringing you closer to your goals. And then organic soya bean, the yellow bean, it's like the traffic light, red, yellow, and green. So yellow bean, caution, right? So you want to spend time to think, should you do this or not, or slow down, caution. And then the green beans means go ahead, right? Do what successful people are doing. If you want to be rich and successful, you must do what the rich and successful people are doing. So that is why I create the Create Wealth System seminar to help people to know what the rich and successful people are doing. And you can be my free affiliate. That means you can make money with no money or earn money with no money. So life is about making choices every day. Do you want to learn how to be a free affiliate, how to make money with no money? And it's so simple. And in fact, until 28 June, you have the window of opportunity to attend my full-day Create Wealth System seminar free. Get in touch with me or go to my blog, bruceseah.com. You can message to my number. And this program I'm launching it, so it's for Singapore only. In the future, most probably I'll bring it to other countries. So I just want to let people taste the power of network marketing and how you can earn money with no money, right? So a free affiliate program means money is an idea. You're exchanging the value for money. It means when you refer people who attend my program, it's $970 value, and I'm giving an irresistible offer, US $97, 10% of the value. And when they join my program, you can earn a referral fee of US $35. That means if you recommend 10 a month, that is $350. If you recommend one a day, times 30, that is US $1,050. $35 times 30, that's $1,050. But it's a two-tier affiliate program. So the second tier, I'm paying $10 per person. So that is your leverage effort. So imagine you bring in the first tier, and the first tier brought in 100 people. In a month, you can earn 100 times $10, $1,000. Your leverage effort can be much more than your personal effort. So how wonderful, right? So that is why this program is very powerful. People can attend the seminar for free. If they invest $97, they can be my free affiliate. That means you recommend 3, $35 times 3 is $105. So if you don't get it, you can always repeat the video. That's the wonderful part about video. You can replay it. So clarity is power. Visit my website and have a better idea of how it works. I explain it in my blog, bruceseah.com. So I even in one of my videos, I even drawn it out, right? That in business, the first step is to break even. And then if you just be a free affiliate, you didn't attend the full day seminar, you don't have to invest a cent, right? Cost you nothing. You just be my free affiliate. But now I have a window of opportunity. Under 28 June, you can attend the full day Create Wealth System seminar for free. After that, it will be US $97, right? And why you want to attend this full day Create Wealth System seminar? Because 50% I'll talk about network marketing, which is my expertise, 28 years network marketing. Then the other 50% of the full day seminar will be proven success principles and marketing strategies that will help you to create wealth. Proven success principles and marketing strategies that I've invested over 100,000 to learn from many famous successful entrepreneurs such as Tony Robbins, Robert Kiyosaki, Jay Abraham, and Mark Victor Hansen. So I've been around, I've trained and inspired thousands, starting from Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, Myanmar, Vietnam, Nigeria, USA, Philippines, Hong Kong, and New Zealand. And very soon, I plan to go to Cambodia, train the people. So I'm waiting for the assignment. So remember, love, learn, leverage, and live your dream. And I'll definitely see you at the top. Take action. Free is an irresistible offer. Until 28 June, you get in touch with me. You can attend my full day Create Wealth System seminar for free. It'll be held on 3rd July, Sunday, right? 9 to 5. So love, learn, leverage, and live your dream. And I'll definitely see you at the top. Take care, take action, and God bless you. Bye-bye.